The daily visibility rank, the DVR, is a very nice possibility to create your own SEO industry index within SEOlytics. Since you have all the detailed data within the daily SEO rankings, of course, you also want to have a KPI where in the early morning when you grab your first coffee, you see how's the performance for my projects going, how am I performing compared to my competition, stuff like that. So that's why we created the DVR. Basically, it's the organic performance based on your keywords that you entered in the daily rankings within the monitoring. So it's a variation of the algorithm that we use for the SEOlytics visibility rank, and it includes the ranking, the position for each single keyword, for the domain, the search volume, the CPC, and it's on a daily basis. So since it's your database, since you entered the keywords, and it's on a daily basis, and it's the organic performance. So it's most likely the most sophisticated SEO KPI that you can get as of today, because you can create an industry index that's really fitting your business model, because you decide, this is my 50 money makers, this is like my 5,000 or 10,000 money makers. It only depends on your SEOlytics account, but you're basically unlimited to create your own industry index, and then on a daily basis you can measure the performance of your projects versus the competition. You can have adjust the time period. You can search adjust the search engine, Google versus Bing or Yandex, depending on the country that you selected, and you can select or deselect the domains as well. So it's on a daily basis. You can export everything, and you can create as many DVRs as you want to. You do it within the settings. There's the DVR management, and it's based on the data that you have in the monitoring section, but you can create as many subsegments as you want to. The same thing is with the keyword categories, as you can create as many categories as you want to. Of course, you can also create as many visibility ranks as you want to, because maybe you want to have a visibility rank on your whole keyword set, but maybe then for the different subsegments from your product portfolio, you want to have different ones as well. Because maybe the performance within one segment is different than in another segment. So it's really easy to do. You just create a new DVR, you give it a name, can give it any name you want, to choose the country you want to have it in, and then basically you see all the domains that you have within your SEOlytics account that you entered for this country, and then you can multi-select different domains, and on the right you will see the different keywords that you track for all the different domains. So if you add keywords for a competitor within your SEOlytics account, it doesn't is not counted double when it comes to the amount of keywords that you need to enter. So you just need to have the domain. So if you want to copy it over, just do it within the add new keywords. You can just copy over keywords from a different domain, and then you have the possibility to select, deselect. You can filter it. If you have categories set up, you can also use the categories to create DVR much quicker. But the important thing is to know that you need to have at least one domain and 20 keywords to create a DVR, but upwards then you're really unlimited or flexible. It really depends on your account. So it's pretty quick to set it up. We suggest that you use the DVR very frequently, and it's really the most sophisticated KPI that you can have a look at every morning when you get your first coffee. So if there's any further questions, there's also the FAQ in the support section where you can have a look at, but it's pretty quick to set up. You cannot break it. You can adjust it afterwards. So even if in 2 weeks you decide you want to create a new DVR based on historical data that you have within the monitoring section, we will calculate it backwards. And it's also the possibility to calculate it on different different keyword sets. By default, if you change the keyword set you're looking at, then the DVR starts at 0 again because you changed the database. But if you choose to have it on a historical basis, even on incomplete keyword data or updated change keyword data, you can check the box over here, and then it will be calculated on all the data. But just make sure that you remember yourself, when did you change the keyword data.